Hey YouTubers, what's up? So today I'm going to be building a paper airplane tutorial for you guys that can not only glide really well, but it can go fast at the same time. So let's build this. To get started, we're going to want two pieces of paper, 8.5 by 11 inch, as well as some tape. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by making the wing, and this is going to be used to make it glide fast and efficiently. So what you're going to want to do is take the top half, fold it into the crease, like this. And now what you're going to want to do is open up the crease and take the left side, which is your right side, fold it in to the crease. And we're going to do the other with the right side, fold it into the crease. Okay, so now that we folded both of the flaps, the corners, into the crease, what we're going to want to do is take the right side corner and we're going to want to put it into the crease as well so it lines up evenly. And we're going to want to do the same exact thing on the left side. Take the corner, fold it in the crease. So the first step was building the base. Now what we're going to do is build the actual airplane itself. So we're going to take the top and we're going to fold it into the crease at the bottom. And then we're going to want to open it up and take the top left corner, fold it into the crease, and take the right corner and fold it into the crease. So now we're going to want to fold this airplane in half and we're going to want to try to get this corner right here onto this part. So you're going to gently fold it and you're going to want to do the same on the other side. So you're going to flip it over and do the exact same step. So now that we've built the airplane and the base, the third step, which is putting the airplane and sliding it right into the base. So this is kind of tricky. What you're going to want to do is just kind of like slide it in until it can't go further. Like that. And now we have to use tape to secure it. Okay, so now we're at the last step. We're going to need some tape, just a little bit like this. And we're going to put it onto the side so the wing and the airplane both meet. And we're going to do the exact same on the other side. Grab a little bit of tape, turn it around, and apply it right here. So we have our airplane made. So once we apply the tape, we're ready to fly this bad boy. So there we have it, this wonderful airplane that we built. And if you guys have any other suggestions or tutorials you would like me to make, please comment in the description below. So if you really like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.
did it. Go.